What's going on, guys? This is Rover Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2023 Land Rover Defender 130 SE. Looks like I gotta do this real quick. This vehicle has a 3-liter turbocharged inline P400 6-cylinder with 395 horsepower and 406 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. So this Defender is the 8-seater, which is pretty awesome. It's like a extended wheelbase, so you can fit a lot of passengers in this car, and it's also very off-road capable, of course. You can see all your off-road settings over there. Weight sensing, wheel info, compass, slope assist. You also have Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, and you also have ventilated and heated seats. These controls are a little interesting. I'm not the biggest fan of this personally. So you have to like press this to change your heated seat or ventilated seat controls, and if you press this you can adjust fan. I'd rather just have individual buttons for all of those because it's a little confusing. And you do have a wireless charging tray setup. I'm not sure if this is OEM. If it is OEM, I like it. I have my phone charging in there. Center console with the cooled setting, so you can put like some drinks and stuff there. You also have a wireless charging tray over here as well. The reverse camera resolution is really good. You have a 360 view. But let's walk around this car and see what it looks like. And you also have the Meridian surround sound system. You also have a lot of storage in the dash. I like that. You have a white exterior on this one, and you can tell it's like a long wheelbase. It's stretched out. I really like these Defenders. I think they look good. If I had to get a Land Rover, it would be a Defender. I prefer this vehicle to all the other cars that they have. And I would definitely take it off-roading. Use it for its intended purpose. You have a bench seat over here. You also have like a panoramic sunroof, and you even have a sunroof for the third row so they don't feel excluded. Got the tire in the back, of course, the spare. This one has like the this little cap on this one. And third row space, with the third row up, your cargo space is definitely compromised. But if you put the third row down, you'll have a lot more space than that. But I'm pretty impressed with the fact that it's an 8-seat vehicle. That's pretty cool. But let's get out on the road and see how it drives. I like how it does that. BMWs do that as well. Let's see if there's like a drive mode setting. Well, that's just driving. Actually, this is actually driving normal mode. Why not? See what it's like. Yeah, it's pretty quick. Acceleration's good. It picks up speed with no problem at all. I mean, 395 horsepower is pretty good, and it's, you know, turbocharged and has a responsive 8-speed automatic, so it does that well. Yeah, look at that. That's great. That engine sounds very good as well. Like, I'm telling you, I really like these Defenders. It's a very nice vehicle. Smooth ride. I love the ride height. I like the ride height in these big rugged SUVs. You know, it just feels nice to chill on top of the road, relax while driving. And again, I'd really love to take a Defender off-roading, see what it's like. And I'm telling you, if I bought a Defender, I would use it for its intended purpose. I wouldn't just be driving it to and from work. I'd be taking it off-road and driving it as much as I can. Overall, I mean, I really like the drive in this vehicle. It's very nice. All the materials feel good in here too. The seats are comfortable, visibility is good, except in the out of the rear view mirror. I wish this is one of the vehicles that had a camera mirror. In my videos, I always mention how some cars don't even need the camera mirror. It's kind of a gimmick, but this one needs it because it's such a big vehicle, and with all the 3 rows up plus the giant tire in the back, this is a vehicle that needs the camera, and I'm surprised it doesn't have it, considering a lot of Land Rovers do have it. So like, why use it in vehicles that don't need it, but not give it as standard equipment in a vehicle that has a bunch of obstruction from the rear view mirror? Like, it doesn't make any sense, but it is what it is. Yeah, like, the vehicle is really nice to drive. I like it a lot. But overall, nice 2023 Land Rover Defender 130 SE. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grown Up's family dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for very nice 3-row SUVs like this Land Rover.